think this is good for now. So what I'll do is probably, listen, I'm gonna need about like 3 or 4 glasses, and then maybe I'll get somewhat tipsy. I'm not about to chug this entire bottle right here, so I think what I'll do is I'll have a little sip right now. Okay y'all, I'm pouring my second glass right now. Just finished my first. Moving on to the second. I feel that's good enough, okay? We're gonna do that. Cheers, if you guys are drinking as well. So I'm using this Too Faced Born This Way concealer. You guys know this is kind of my go-to at the moment. So I'm just gonna spot conceal a few blemishes that I may have. Oh my god, I totally forgot what eye look I was doing today, and I just remembered that I should have dyed my eyes first. Why can't I speak English? So I'm gonna do like a black smoky liner. I kind of been doing it quite often these past, like whenever I would wear makeup, I would do like a bottom smoky black liner. So I think I want to do that today. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just going to conceal my eyelids. I literally look so crazy in my monitor right now. What the fuck is going on? Like, I'm not even sure what the fuck is going on, what the fuck I'm looking at right now. But I don't want to keep looking at this. So I'm gonna need a hairy pin to fix this. I'm just taking a little bit of some translucent powder. So I'm gonna go ahead with some black eyeliner and just line up my waterline. I'm definitely going to take a sip of that. Guys, I'm telling you, each step I'm going to do, I'm going to take a sip of my wine glass. I'm low-key feeling it. Okay, I'm ready. But I feel like I'm drinking tequila right now. Okay. We're done with the second glass. Moving on to the third, guys. So, here's our first glass. Cheers. Oh wait, let me pour this first. Okay, I think that's good. I honestly don't feel like, when it comes to wine, you should never pour it, you know, all the way up to the glass, because that is just tacky. And also just wine, what's the word? Wine etiquette. I had no idea how to pronounce that word. But wine etiquette, never, ever, ever hold your glass of wine like this. You never want to hold it like by the glass like that. You always want to hold it by the stem because it's very classy, and this way like the temperature of your hand doesn't warm up the wine and doesn't change the flavor. So you never want to hold it like that. You always want to hold it by the stem so the temperature of the wine stays the same and the flavor stays the same. Okay, moving on, I want to take this Kat Von D Smoke eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to take the black eyeshadow in this palette, and I'm just going to kind of smudge that out. Okay, so this is the eye for now. I do want to go ahead and kind of apply a little bit of maybe some brown on my eyelids and kind of just deepen up the crease a little bit. Let me take a sip. I look fucking insane. I need to fix my fucking face because the bitch is looking insane. Like what the fuck is going on with this fucking polka dots on my face? I need to fix that. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to take a little bit of this La Mer Soft Fluid Foundation, give that a good shake, and I'm just going to do my foundation because I feel like the eyes are done for now. I definitely want to go back in a little bit, but I want to do the face for now because the bitch is looking psycho. So I'm pretty tan right now. Ever since I came back from Vegas, I have been so fucking. First of all, I'm back in Arizona. I finally decided to end my Vegas trip because a bitch was just on vacation for way too long. First of all, like I was in Vegas for like literally about a month and like I think it was 6 weeks overall, to be honest with you. Okay, so I'm moving on to concealer next. I'm trying to think what else I want to talk about because I feel like I should talk about some more things. Okay, let me talk about Vegas because what else happened in Vegas? I mean, did I go on any dates in Vegas? Whoa. Should I talk about that? Okay, first of all, I've been really watching like tarot videos of like Aries. I'm an Aries sun, I'm in Taurus moon, and a Sagittarius rising, if you guys are curious on my chart. And I feel like I've been really getting into watching like tarot videos of like my sign, which is Aries, and literally all they talk about is just love. Like, I'm a little concerned because that's literally every single video that I watch was like, they weren't talking about my career, they weren't talking about anything besides like me falling in love or someone in my past coming into my life again that wants to pursue something with me, or just talking about love. I'm just like, bitch, I want to hear about my career. Like, let's talk about that. I don't want to hear about, you know, lovers. I want to hear about my future, you know, whether that be my career. Like, I'm trying to think where I was going with that. I don't know where I was going with that. Did I go? Okay, I think I was talking about if I went on any dates in Vegas. I think I went on one date, to be honest with you, in that 1 month, or that, I think it was almost 2 months, to be honest with you. In that, like, I guess we'll just call it a month. In that 1 month span, I went on literally one date, and it was cute. It was actually really cute. Although, like, I'm not really speaking to him. Like, I think it was just like a date and like just friendly shit. I don't think it was anything like serious because we didn't really do anything. Besides, like, he just made dinner for me, but like I think that was kind of about it. And like, I just haven't really spoke to him ever since. I kind of like is it bad to say I ghosted him? Okay, maybe I should talk about that.
And
like, I'm ready to take off my makeup and just go into bed. Like, I'm over this fucking makeup tutorial. But I want to finish because I actually want to look good by the end of this makeup tutorial. So I'm just going to try my best and just push through. I should probably take another sip. Guys, I'm really almost done with my... This is my third glass. Well, first of all, okay. I don't know if you guys saw that smoke. Or all that, like, translucent powder. Did I just call it smoke? Oh. Well. Okay, I think I'm starting to look okay. Have I looked better? Probably. But I think I'm starting to look okay on camera. I mean, bitch, if I look good on camera, then I really don't give a fuck how I look in person because, bitch, who the fuck is looking at me in person, first of all? That sounds so bad. Like, I promise I'm not a catfish. Or am I a catfish? I feel like just everyone assumes, like, if you look good on camera, like, that's all that matters, because I feel like, bitch, who the fuck is seeing you in real life, you know? I mean, bitch, as long as you look good for the gram, then, or on video, then, bitch, you're okay. So while that dries, we're like going to take another sip of some wine. Okay, so this is a lash. Not sure how I feel about it. I feel like we should definitely apply the other lash before we, we judge. Never judge a lash by its first application. Oh my god, sis.
Oh my god, sis, what happened?
Girl, I'm having a drunk get ready with me right now.
I love that.
Do you want to say hi to my video? Oh. wait, I actually pressed a button. Wait. Say hi to my video. There's a bunch of translucent powder on this.
Hi. Wait, let me fix something look good at least. Yeah.
No. I feel like I am done with this makeup tutorial. I don't know where I finished off. I know my camera had to charge for the past literally hour. I'm not sure where the fuck it left off at, but guys, I am ready to end this makeup tutorial. Like, I want to take off my makeup. Like, this is what it looks like though. I feel like I did a pretty good job. I mean, I look pretty fucking good. I mean, I don't want to gas myself up, but I feel like I look pretty fucking good for the outcome. I mean, my lips could look a lot better. You know what I mean? But I feel like for the most part, my skin, my eyes look pretty good, and I'm not mad at it, you know? So this is the completed look. This is how I do my black smoky lower lash line liner, if that's what you want to call it. I honestly have no idea where I finished this makeup tutorial off at, but I'm going to give you guys this look regardless. I'm so tired. I am literally ready to take off my makeup. Like, I wanna go to bed. I know I just filmed this entire makeup tutorial, get ready with me, whatever the fuck you wanna call it, but I wanna go to bed. I literally want to throw up right now.